So something was an engineering marvel, and only this particular device, another aircraft, could rival it. Sounds okay. Was its rival in speed? This is not the intended meaning. It's not actual rivalry going on. It is about the capacity to rival something. It is not that they were actually rivals. Okay, so could rival. It's about the ability to be a rival of some of this other device, other aircraft. So this is not the intended meaning. Was rivaling. This is even worse, suggesting that they were actually practically rivaling. Could rival, so at least it's conserving the meaning. Could be its rival as to, this is awkward. We have a better option in A. Was the rival, again it tends to convey that there was practically rivalry going on. It's not about actually being rival, it's about having the capacity to rival it. So A is the right answer choice.